What's poppin', everybody? So I've got the rookie card explosion box here. Unfortunately, this is probably gonna be my last one. Um, just got other things that are coming up on the priority list. So we'll end with volume 64, and maybe we'll go out with a bang. How's that? A lot of packs here. Alright. Get these peanuts out of here. Alright. So, we've got 2014 Topps Update Retail. Oh, I got an extra pack here. Or maybe not. Nope. 2014 Topps Retail. Topps Update Retail. You're looking for Betts and DeGrom. 2019 Hobby Exclusive Update. Oh, let's do this first. 2018 Bowman. Ohtani, Robert, Corbin Burnes, Devers, Jimenez, and Green. Now we got 2019 update. Austin Riley, Vladdy Jr., and Tatis. Okay, so that was an extra pack, I guess. Yeah, these are hobby exclusive. So that was my bonus pack. 2019 update, hobby pack. 2020 Bowman, Bobby Witt Jr., Volpe, and Dominguez. 2020 Topps Chrome. And there we're looking for Yordan Alvarez, Robert, and Bichette. 2021 Chrome Jumbo. Looking for Kelenic, Chisholm, Gilbert, Jimenez, and Baum. 2022 Heritage High Number. Bobby Witt, J-Rod, Abrams, and Strider. 22 Update, Bobby Witt, J-Rod, Abrams, and Lewis. And 2023 Topps Heritage, Corbin Carroll, Adley Rutschman, Harris, Henderson. So it said there's a 1 in 6 chance of a special bonus pack, and I guess that's me. So let's go ahead with the bonus pack first. 2019 update. So these are hobby exclusive. And let's see what we got. Oh, nice. These are the Mojo pack. Oh, look at that. Rookie card of Will Smith. I know he's not on the list, but that's a good one to get. Jose Canseco. We got Clint Frazier. And we got a rookie of Nick Senzel. Not too bad there. 2014 Topps update. We're looking for Mookie Betts and Jacob DeGrom. It would be nice if I got DeGrom. Bonifacio. Bolsinger rookie. Not the rookie we were looking for. Eric Mujica. Zealous Wheeler. Not the rookie. World Series Heroes, Mariano Rivera. That's nice. Not a hit, but we've got a Justin Grimm. We've got Josh Harrison and Francisco Rodriguez. So those are some rookies. Got 2 there. All right, we're going on to 2018 Bowman. This is a retail pack. I opened a lot of this back in the day, but looking for Ohtani, Robert Burnes, like I said before. That's Steven Strasburg, Victor Arano, Keon Broxton, Freeman. Look at that, Corbin Burnes. There's a prospect card. It's not a first, but look at that. Oh, he's also got an autograph in this. Anthony Banda. Here comes the first. Isaac Paredes. He's doing really good. Eloy Jimenez. Braxton Garrett. And Logan Allen. So, rounds out that pack. 2019 update. Austin Riley, Vladdy Jr., Tatis Jr. And look who's on the back. Got Jason Martin. Lurie Garcia. Zach Plesac. Tommy LaStella. Rookie combos, Bird and Doughty. Trent Thornton. Oh, there's a Mariano Rivera box. Cool. Got Josh Naylor, rookie. Mike Sharon. Santana. Brandon Woodruff. Grandal. Merrifield. And Tatis, rookie debut. So that's what we were looking for. I will take that to the bank. And we will go on. We are going to 2020 Bowman now. And this is a hobby pack. Oh, nice. I'm going to get this one autographed. Mike Yastrzemski. Willy Adames. We might have an autograph. Micah Bayo. Wonder if he's related to Brian Bayo. Well, that's pretty cool there. On card, Chrome. Luis Robert. A first of Nico Holsizer. Jared Kelenic prospect. Alec Baum prospect. Bojarski, first Bowman Chrome. And we've got Michael Baez and Travis Demerit. So, not a bad pack there. We got an autograph, got a hit. And that's a nice autograph too. Look at that. Like, at least he didn't do like a scribble or something. All right, we've got 2020 Chrome. Oh, nice. Got Lindor in his Indians gear. Adbert Alzolay, rookie. Future Stars, Jimenez. And Jose Berrios. Alrighty, on to 2021 Chrome Jumbo. Let's save this one for last because it's got high hit odds. So let's see if we can get 2 out of this. Gonna go to 2022 Heritage High number. Gotta love Heritage. It's always something nice there. All right, we've got Daz Cameron. Elias Diaz. Michaelis. Kluber. Altuve. Alec Thomas rookie. Was that one of the ones? Well, nope, but Diego Castillo, Cole Tucker, and Keston Hiura. All right, 2022 update. This is another hobby pack. Hunter Green rookie. Caleb Thielbar. Simon Muzziotti. It's a real Italian guy there for you. Harold Ramirez. George Kirby rookie debut. Smiley. Duggar. Joe Ryan rookie. Jordan Alvarez. Quintana. Presley. Rookie combos Sanders and Knight. There you go. MVP caliber Trout and Ohtani. And Ryan Pepio. So now we go on to 2023 Heritage. This is where we're looking for Corbin Carroll, Rushman, Harris, Henderson, Volpe, Green, Alvarez, and Young. Lubob, Hendricks, Taylor Ward, Mookie Betts. We got Jock, Arise, Walker Buehler, Nick Solak, and Jameson Taillon. So let's see if we get an autograph in here. This is the last pack of the last rookie card explosion box. I don't see anything too crazy. We got Wilson Ramos, Chris Bubich, Longoria, Casey Mize, Dean Kramer, Giancarlo, Akiyama, Stevenson, Chris Davis, Prismatic Power Bellinger, Brady Singer rookie. Haha! Let's end it out with an autograph. Will Craig. Is this the guy that botched up the play at home plate with Javi Baez? I think it is. And then Rhys Hoskins. But yeah, I think this is the guy that Javi Baez stopped running or whatever, and then he started running back towards home, and the guy chased him. Yeah, I think it's that guy. So look, not too bad. We got 2 autographs. What a way to end it, huh? We did get some cool rookies. We got the Tatis rookie debut. We got these 2 nice Mariano Rivera cards. Who's the guy in the first? Oh, yeah. We got the Will Smith rookie Mojo pack. And Senzel. The Corbin Burns prospect. Could have been worse, man. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support these past few years. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.